Welcome to A-Tech. In this video, I will guide you through the process of transferring files from an iPhone to an Android device using Xender. Whether you want to send a photo, video, or document from your iPhone to an Android, I'll provide a step-by-step guide to help you accomplish this seamlessly. Xender is one of the fastest and easiest methods to transfer files between these two devices. Step 1. Download Xender on both devices. The first thing you'll need to do is download the Xender app from the App Store, for iPhone, and the Play Store, for Android. Once the app is installed on both devices, you're ready to move on to the next step. Step 2. Move the file. If you're transferring a file, it needs to be moved to the Xender Downloads folder. To do this on your iPhone, open the Files app, find the file you wish to transfer, and long press it to copy. Next, navigate to the On My iPhone section, find the Xender folder, and paste the file into the Downloads folder. If you're sending a photo or video, this step is not required. Step 3. Open Xender on both devices. Once you've prepared your files, open the Xender app on both devices. On your iPhone, select the Receive option, and on your Android, select Send. Whether transferring files from Android to iPhone or vice versa, the sending device must choose the Send option, while the receiving device will choose the Receive option. Step 4. Scan the QR code. Next, scan the QR code displayed on your Android device with your iPhone to establish a connection between the two devices. Once connected, you'll be able to choose the files you want to send. Step 5. Select and send your files. If you're sending a photo, navigate to the Photos section in the Xender app, select the images you want to send, and click Send. You can select multiple photos at once for faster transfers. For videos, you may need to check two different sections within Xender, as videos are sometimes separated from photos. Once selected, simply click Send. If you're transferring a document or other type of file, navigate to the Downloads folder within Xender to locate the file you moved earlier. Select the files and click Send. Step 6. Saving the transferred files. For photos, the transfer will automatically save them to your device's gallery. However, for videos, you will need to manually save them. To do so, open the Xender folder in the Files app on your iPhone, locate the video, and long press it to bring up the options. Select Share, then Save Video to save it to your Photos app. Alternatively, you can save the video directly within the Xender app by selecting the Save to option. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates.